For our second equation, we have y equals 2 bracket x plus 4 to the power of 2 minus 8. This is already in vertex form, so we don't have to do that. So we're looking for the vertex. The a value is 2, so we know that the graph is going to be opening up. And we also know that 4 and negative 8 are our vertex. Our h value is going to change signs when we put it into the vertex. So it would actually be negative 4. And the k value stays the same, so it would still be negative 8. And that's our vertex. So if we were to graph that, we know that our vertex is negative 4, negative 8. So our x value would be negative 4, and then you would go down to negative 8, just like that. And then we know that our a value is 2, and it's also positive, so we know that the graph is going to open up, and it's also going to multiply the values by 2. So if we were doing the graph, we would go over 1, and then 1 to the power of 1 is 1, but then times 2 is 2. So you would go up 2. If you go over 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So you would start from the original point and you would go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. And then the third point is 3, so 3 to the power of 2 is 9, times 2 is 18. So you go up 18. $18 is almost off the graph, so you know that the next point will be off the graph. And then you mirror it on the other side in the negatives. And then you draw your parabola. Again, make sure that your parabola doesn't go off into the next point when you're drawing it off the graph. Also make sure that your parabola doesn't end up in looking like a V. You want it to be curved.